Magic is in the air. This is how I felt when I saw the world famous Disney stars passing through the Disneyland park. I was eagerly awaiting for the news of this year's parade. It was at the 13th of November 2022. My parents bought tickets for the three of us early so we don't miss the chance of getting a reservation. It was a dream that came true. It all started right at 3 p.m. The sound of Disney's music filled the frosty air with happiness. People who came from all over the world crowded aside, waiting excitedly for the parade to start. Many kids and grown ups were putting on their colorful mini ear headbands and holding their phones to capture the best moments in their lives. The first float was for a ballerina who stood on a jewelry treasure and twirled around while a cuddly teddy bear danced along. A toy marching band closely followed the ballerina and the bear behind. Mrs. Claus led a troop of elves who buried letters to Santa in their mail pouches. The next float was a cozy cabin where Mickey and Minnie have set up their tree and gifts. Snow people glided along behind. They were bundled up with caps and scarves for that chilly night. Appropriately, Elsa, Olaf, and Anna are right behind them. They were followed directly by Goofy and Pluto upon a gingerbread float. Pluto was on the roof while Goofy in his chef coat and hat is at the workbench. The float was glazed with icing and coated in candies. The dancing reindeer signaled the beginning of the end for the parade. Santa soared high above the snowy float and the Christmas trees in his bright red sleigh. He was departing the North Pole with a sack full of toys. This video هون على اليوتيوب فينا نحضره لحتى نشوف الجو عن حقيقة كيف كان.